Hi, my name is Patricia and this is my final task. This activity is called show and tell. So I'm going to show my object. My object is a cell phone. Actually, it's a smartphone. It's really a useful tool. I use it for several things. First of all, I use it as an alarm so I can wake up every morning with this. Also, I use it as a camera so I can catch every moment that my son has. I have a little boy. And also, I use it for my job. I work as a teacher, so I have a Teams application. Some of my groups are over there, so I can check them. Wait a minute. So I can check them some tasks or activities, so I can review everything and check every movement. Also, I use it as a radio, so I used to listen some music or watch some news or whatever that I want. Finally, I use it for communicate my family. So I have some meetings every afternoon, and I use it with an application, maybe with Facebook or WhatsApp or Zoom, so I can meet my family and to hang out for a few minutes. Um, and that's it. So I really like this material. This object is my favorite, and and I appreciate everything with it. So I use it for everything. It's really helpful, and and I don't know what happened if I had damage with this. Um, that's it.